Welcome to Unit 3, Topic 3 of the CHET Project, Creativity Techniques for Higher Education Teachers. This topic is about using technological tools for creative teaching. My name is Murat, and I will accompany you throughout the presentation. The content of this presentation consists of online learning and the methods used in online learning. In the first part, information in online learning is provided. In the second, some of the methods, approaches, and models that can be used in online learning process are mentioned. And lastly, the sources used in this presentation are indicated. Let's start with online learning. Next, we will watch a video about what e-learning is. After the video, you will be settled on what e-learning is in your mind. Online learning and online learning formats. In online learning environments, learners can perform learning activities without being dependent on place and time. Some of the online learning types are listed below: computer-assisted learning, concurrent online learning, asynchronous online learning, adaptive online learning, linear online learning, interactive online learning, individual online learning, and collaborative online learning. Let's start with the computer-assisted learning. It is the utilization of computer technologies in traditional teaching process. Adaptive online learning is one of the new and innovative forms of online learning, and it makes it possible to design adaptable materials for each learner. Linear online learning. It is a linear online learning format in which the learner can interact with the computer. Next one is interactive online learning. It is an online learning format in which learner and teacher can interact with each other. Individual online learning. Individual learning refers to the number of students aiming at achieving learning goals instead of the learning material being student-centered. We will continue with collaborative online learning. Collaborative e-learning is an innovative online learning method in which multiple learners learn and realize their learning goals together as a group, and students have to work together to achieve the common learning goals. Concurrent online learning is an online learning type in which the learning process is carried out where the learners and tutor take part in the online learning environment at the same time period. And the last one on the list is asynchronous online learning. It is an online learning format in which the learning process is carried out in an online environment without the learners and tutor are obligated to be online at the same time period. Contemporary methods, approaches, and models. Mobile learning. With the developing mobile technologies, mobile learning, which provides no space and time limit, can enable effective and efficient distance education process today. Next, we have a video about what mobile learning is. Collaborative blended learning. It is a learning model that includes synchronous or asynchronous learning activities in online environment and face-to-face collaborative learning process. The first method is gamification. Gamification in education can be defined as the use of game elements in learning environments in order to attract learners' attention to the subject and content of the course. Game-based learning. It is a model that indicates that learners can learn by interacting with the game features and educational contents that are fully integrated together. Virtual reality is a technology that makes use of computer technology for experiencing the feeling of being in a real space in the human mind with three-dimensional models and provides interaction with objects through various hardware. Augmented reality is a technology that enables users to interact with virtual objects designed in 3 dimensions and real objects together. Mixed reality applications are applications where both augmented reality and virtual reality are used together. The final model is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence refers to systems or machines that mimic human intelligence to perform tasks and recursively heal themselves based on the information they gather. If you want to reach detailed information, we have listed the references for you. Thanks for listening. We hope you enjoyed it and you can apply what you learned here in your own class. Best wishes.